My kelvinator split system is showing a H5 error code on the indoor unit and outside unit is not starting. Any help will be much appreciated. Model is KSV35HRC.
Hi there, and welcome to the site. Thank you for your inquiry. I will be assisting you with your question today. At any time you may ask further questions if you feel the need, even after rating. The new is not good, I'm afraid. The H5 code is as follows: compressor motor overload. In the short term, there is nothing you can do. The overload circuit has activated. You will need to check the thermal overload switch attached to the side of the main motor near the relay starter on the compressor. It will need to be replaced. This activates when the motor has become too hot or there has been too much strain placed on the motor under normal operating conditions. If replacing the overload switch brings no result, the motor/compressor on the outside unit is faulty, in which case, it will need to be replaced. If that is the case, don't bother having the compressor replaced. You are better off replacing the entire outdoor unit as a whole and starting over with warranty as well. When a motor fails, it is better to replace the entire unit than replace just the compressor, unless of course you are still covered by warranty, etc. Any further questions, just ask. I'm happy to answer them, even after rating. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.